Welcome back everybody to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute review, 5-minute segment, we have a 5-piece diamond hole saw kit, along with some adapters to test and review. It is by DT Dia Tools. And it also comes in this nifty little case here to house all of your diamond bits and your attachments. These bits can be used wet or dry. They also can be used with a grinder or a drill. So, like usual, bring the camera up close. We will unbox this, show you what's included. Then we will go outside, and for demonstration purposes, we will cut dry and cut quick. Multiple different materials, ceramic, porcelain, stone, and show you how well these bits perform. Here we go. And here it is. Now this was a requested video from one of my subscribers. If any of you out there want me to review a tile related tool, leave that request in the comment section below. Again, this is by DT Dia Tool. As usual, links will be in the description below with pricing and specs. Let's open it up. So again, we do have a small hard case, handle and latch. And there you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diamond hole saws, plus a 6th piece, which is a diamond finger bit. Let's quickly show you each piece. Now, they're all equipped with your 5/8 standard thread for your grinder, but of course we have an adapter for a drill. Number 1 is 19 millimeters or 3/4 of an inch. Number 2 is 28 millimeter, little over an inch. 3, we have 35 millimeter. This is 1 3/8 of an inch. 4, we've got 45 millimeter, 1 3/4 of an inch. And then your 55 millimeter, your 2-inch hole saw. 6th piece is your diamond finger bit. A lot of ways to use this. We'll show you a couple of them today. Again, it is solid and covered with diamonds, and again has a lot of uses for tile. And of course 2 adapters here for drill, your hex shank and your 5/8 thread, and then your 5/8 to M14 thread. Alright guys, let's go outside and show you how well these perform. We will cut ceramic, porcelain, stone, and engineered quartz using a grinder and a drill. Well, there you go. These diamond hole saws drill holes very quick and aggressively, even in very hard materials. They seem to be of good quality, like they would last a long time, especially if you use them wet. A fantastic deal. A great diamond hole saw kit for the money, without a doubt. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see future tile tool videos, don't forget to tap the subscribe button down there. If you like the video, tap like, and I'll see you on the next one.